Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage productivity tools with Asana, full guide step by step clearly. Open Asana and create a new account if you haven't already. Log into your account and familiarize yourself with the user interface. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your projects and tasks. Click on the Projects tab to start a new project. Select the Create Project button and choose between a blank project or a template. Name your project and set the project visibility to either public or private. Add a description to clarify the purpose of the project. Use the Add Tasks button to begin listing out tasks needed to complete the project. For each task, include details such as due dates, assignees, and priority levels. Organize tasks by sections or milestones for better clarity. Utilize tags and custom fields to categorize tasks according to your needs. Once tasks are entered, set deadlines based on your project timeline. Consider breaking larger tasks into subtasks for more manageable steps. Set up dependencies if certain tasks must be completed before others start. Use the calendar or timeline view to visualize your project schedule. Leverage Asana's workload feature to allocate resources effectively across team members. Invite team members to collaborate by entering their email addresses in the project settings. Assign tasks to specific team members to ensure accountability. Use comments within tasks for discussions and updates, keeping communication centralized. Regularly check the progress of tasks and update statuses as work evolves. Host periodic check-ins to discuss project updates and address any obstacles. Adjust project plans as necessary based on feedback and progress tracking. Utilize Asana's reporting features to analyze productivity and project performance. Explore integrations with other tools like Google Drive or Slack to streamline workflows. Finally, review the project upon completion for insights on future improvements. This comprehensive approach will help you manage your productivity tools effectively with Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.